You can find rhythm everywhere. Pulse and cycles and nature and moon phases. It has a rhythm. It's not like it's a thing that you can see, and it's not like a thing that you can touch. It's just a thing you can either feel or hear. Music. It's one of the most mysterious of all the things that we can experience as humans, I think. I've been a musician for a long time, and I've been in a lot of very loud environments, and I like the idea of getting away from the city and finding a retuning, a rebalancing of sorts. Nature does that. There's a specific rootedness that you get through music. In nature, I feel similar. Rooted, balanced, connected. I think people are always looking for connection. We have the capacity to be more connected to each other than ever before, but we're less in touch with each other than ever before because of it. So, it's a paradox. Social media plays a big role there because, yes, we can, see what everyone's up to, but we're doing it from our little isolated room by ourselves. It's not an actual real interaction on a human level. And the very tool that you're supposed to be able to use to simplify things complicates it. That's the irony, I think. It's something that is a constant challenge. Spend less time on your phone and connect with people you love, right? That's really it.
Thanks everybody for your messages. They really motivate us to keep doing this. And you can continue supporting us at the Patreon link below. We really appreciate every dollar, we appreciate every message, and it's great to be on this journey with you all. Thank you.